Hello everyone, this is Carl from ROM Village, and today I'm going to show you how to download your favorite NES games and play them on your computer. First thing you're going to do is go to www.romvillage.com. So you're going to pull up our website here. You can click on emulators on the side. So you're going to go to emulators. You can see a list of all the emulators here for the different systems. We're going to click on NES emulators. Okay, so here we can see we've got JNES. I'm going to click on that. Then we're going to click on the download JNES now. So this is going to download the file for us. We want to save this. So I'm just going to save this on my desktop. Okay, so that's the install file for the emulator. Save it on your desktop. Okay, so now we want to go to our desktop. We can see we have the install file, which is right here. What we want to do is make a new folder for it. And you can call it whatever you want. Call it NES or whatever you want. So create a new folder, drag the install file into that folder, then go into that folder and click on the install file. Okay, so it's going to ask us if we want to run that. Say yes. Now it's going to ask us where we want to install this emulator. So we want to install this in the folder we just made, that NES folder or whatever we called it on our desktop. So we're going to choose that, hit OK, then hit install. So that's going to install for us there. So now we can see that we have a new folder here, this JNES. So we can click on JNES and then click on the little application here. And there we go, the program starts right up. That's all you have to do to install your emulator. Now to get some games to play this, we're going to open Internet Explorer, Firefox. Go back to romvillage.com. Click on either Top ROMs or All ROMs. I'm just going to choose one of the best ones here, so I'm going to go to Top ROMs. And then NES ROMs. Best NES games. And then I'm going to download Super Mario Bros. 3. And click on this. It's going to ask us to save. Hit OK. Now put this file, which is our ROM file, put it in that folder we had. So we had the NES folder is what I made, but you can call it whatever you want. NES, and then into the JNES folder. So save your ROM in there. It'll just make it easier to open after. So hit save. Alright, so that's going to download for us. Now go back to JNES. Now you want to hit refresh because we just downloaded a file, so it doesn't see it in here yet. So hit refresh directory. And there we go. We can see Super Mario Bros. 3. We're going to click on that. And it opens up and we're ready to play. Now I like to play with a USB controller. I actually have the original Nintendo controller with a USB port. So what you would have to do to use that, you would go to Options, Input. Well, I guess I have to plug it in first. So plug it into your USB. Have to refresh that there. So go Options, Input. Now you can see I have my retro pad here. And now I want to define the inputs, because as it's set right now, it's set for the keyboard. So you can see all the settings here, like left, right, up, and down. You would have to play that on your keyboard. So what you do is you just click on every button and then you press it on your controller. So I'm going to press left on my controller there, and then right, up, down, select, start, B, and A. And that's it. Now you can play your favorite NES games. It's that easy. Just head on over to romvillage.com, download an emulator, download some games, and you're ready to go. We'll see you next time.